Welcome to my channel. How to set up a TP-Link router using the Tether app. Step 1. Plug in your TP-Link router, connect the power adapter to the router and turn it on. Wait for the power light to become stable. Step 2. Connect the router to your modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the router's WAN/Internet port. Step 3. Download the TP-Link Tether app. Install the TP-Link Tether app from your phone's app store. Step 4. Connect to the router's Wi-Fi. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default TP-Link network name shown on the router label. Step 5. Open the Tether app, launch the Tether app and allow any requested permissions. Step 6. Create or sign in to your TP-Link ID, log in with your TP-Link account. If you don't have one, create a new account and verify your email. Step 7. Select your router model. The app will automatically detect your router. Tap your router model to begin the setup process. Step 8. Configure Internet settings. Follow the on-screen instructions. Most users can choose the automatic connection option recommended by the app. Step 9. Create a new Wi-Fi name and password. Enter a custom Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and a strong password to secure your network. Step 10. Finish setup and test the connection. Save the settings and allow the router to restart. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password, then open a website to confirm internet access. Thanks for watching.